Okay, let me just introduce our company. Our company is Cucuyo, is a German-based company in Munich. We work on laser communication for UE platforms, for drone platforms, UAS platforms. So you can see here, these are the drone platforms, and we're making laser communication links between the platforms. So this is in contrast to radio communication links. So classically, you use radio communication links. And on a classic radio communication link, you can do something like 10 to 20 to 30 megabit per second data rate. Laser communication links, so communication links based on laser, you can do links up to a gigabit per second with our product. So you have something like a 50 times the data rate over a distance of 40 kilometers. So we have built a laser communication product. The important thing for us was, it's a new product, was to build a small system so we can bring it also on relatively small UV platforms. So this has a weight of 1.5 kilogram. It's symmetric, so it has a ground station and a flight terminal. So those are the same terminals. So we can have a link over 40 kilometers for these systems. So basically you have applications in any type of scenarios where you need high data rates. So if you have a high resolution camera images, like 4K videos, 8K video streams, if you have WAMI images, like wide area motion images, where you have, let's say, a gigapixel camera, which you cannot transmit on these 10 megabits radio communication links. So this is ideal for laser communication. So one part is the high data rate. The other part is really that laser communication, because the beam is so narrow, it's very hard to jam laser communication links. So this is all the part here: resilience to jamming, interception, spoofing. Basically, you cannot disturb laser communication links. And the third part, really, which is kind of related to that, you can also do a GPS substitution. So if you have an environment where you cannot receive GPS signals, so you can take a laser communication link, because we have very accurate angles and very accurate ranging information. So you can really determine the position of your UV platform or your drone platform through the laser communication link. So basically, this is of course monitoring scenarios, surveillance scenarios, any kind of security scenarios, border surveillance, city surveillance, premises surveillance. So this is all laser communication, ideal for laser communication. And for us, we want to make laser communication a commodity, so that you can use laser communication, because it's so small and also so low cost, that you can use it for many types of applications of UV platforms. Yeah, basically, you can, for any type of cooperation and more technical discussions, you can contact us. I mean, so Cucuyo.group. Cucuyo.group is our website, so you can leave a message there, and we're happy to talk. And we're an international company, global company, so we're working with all kinds of countries in Asia, in Europe, in the United States. We'd be happy to help you with your application.